How to turn off active status on Facebook on computer or PC. It's quite easy and simple to turn off active status on Facebook on computer or PC. Open preferred browser and click on the search bar or web address bar and then type in facebook.com. Press enter on the keyboard. And then ensure to log in or sign into your particular account and the official site or page of Facebook appears on your PC or computer. Click Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen and click three dots. On the chat setting page, click Active Status. If the button is toggled on and the active status is on, toggle off the button and disable the active status. Click on Save to change or to make changes on your active status, and in this way you can easily turn off active status on Facebook using computer or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video, subscribe for more tech and tips.